In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Splitit to Shopify. Splitit is a payment option that lets customers split their purchase into interest-free installments using their existing credit card. Offering installments at checkout can boost conversion and average order value, so adding it to your store is a smart move. I'll walk you through the exact path in Shopify so you can enable it quickly and confidently. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. From your main dashboard, head down to Settings. It's typically located at the bottom left of the admin sidebar. Settings is where Shopify keeps all your store-level configuration, including your payment providers, so that's the right place to be. Inside Settings, open the Payments section. This is where you manage your primary payment gateway, manual payments, and any additional providers you want to offer. If you haven't used this area recently, take a quick look to familiarize yourself with what's already active on your store. On the Payments page, look for the option to add payment method and click it. This opens a panel with different ways to find and enable new providers. Because we're adding a specific provider, we'll use the search option so we can get right to it. Choose Search by Provider. You'll see a search bar appear. Type Splitit into the field. Shopify will filter results for you as you type. When the Splitit result shows up, click it. Depending on your view, you might first click Splitit in the results list and then click it again to open the provider details page. That's normal. It just confirms your selection before installation. On the Splitit details screen, click Install. Shopify will add Splitit to your payment setup. Installation is usually quick. Once it's installed, you'll see Splitit listed among your payment methods, typically under alternative or additional payment providers. A few tips as you finish up. Availability can vary by region and currency, so if you don't see Splitit in the results, double check your store's country and currency settings or verify that Splitit supports your market. After installation, Shopify may prompt you to review provider terms or complete any required fields. Follow the on-screen guidance if prompted. It's also a good idea to preview your checkout or run a small test purchase to make sure the installment option appears as expected and the messaging is clear to your shoppers. That's it. Splitit is now added to your Shopify store. If you found this helpful, consider applying the same process to add other trusted payment options your customers prefer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.